Why do 30% of US households' electricity bills come from cooling and refrigeration? The answer is simpler than you think. Traditional air conditioning and refrigeration systems are energy hogs. They gulp up around 30% of the electricity in US homes. But what if we told you there's a cooler way to cool? Enter magnetic refrigeration. Instead of using gases and compressors like your old-school fridge, magnetic refrigeration uses magnetic fields and the magnetocaloric effect. Imagine this: when you place a magnetic material between two strong magnets, its molecules line up neatly and it heats up. Take it out and the molecules go wild again, cooling it down. Now here's the game changer. Our innovation uses voltage instead of bulky magnets. We apply electric fields to a special two-phase material, causing it to change temperature with minimal energy and no moving parts. It's like flipping a switch on a super efficient, eco-friendly cooling device. This tech isn't just efficient, it's compact, quiet, and versatile. Picture cooling your home, your car, even your gadgets without the energy drain. So next time you think about your electricity bill, remember, magnetic refrigeration could be the key to a greener, cooler future. Stay cool. If you are interested in our new energy-efficient and environmentally friendly cooling solution, see the information below.